Hey, what's up guys? Today we have a pretty big gun. This is the G&G GS550. This would definitely be a great outdoor gun, giving you a lot of range and accuracy with the long inner barrel that it includes. It does have a side folding stock, some ambidextrous controls, and a functioning bolt catch that will allow for easy hop-up adjustment. Retailing, it should be going for about $395. FPS should be about 400 FPS out of the box. It does come with a standard 30 round magazine, so we have an 11.1 LiPo in here, so those rounds are actually going to go pretty quick. So here we go.